Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Pikashow in Amazon Fire TV. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Installing Picasso on Amazon Fire TV is commonly used for pirated or unauthorized streaming, which can violate copyright laws and Amazon prompts and may expose your device to malware or account bans. So what you can do is there are safe and legal alternatives on Amazon Fire TV. You can get free or low-cost content without ads, any risk, using Amazon Prime Video for movies and TVs included with Prime, Pluto TV for free live TV on demand TV for free movies and shows, free ad-supported content, Netflix, Disney Plus and Hulu available directly from the Amazon App Store. So why avoid Pikashow on Fire TV? Not available on Amazon App Store. High risks of malware or spyware, possible Amazon account or device issues, streams may stop for working anytime. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.